What's happening, guys? I'm TechSource, and in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the new VR gaming headset from Oculus. This is the Oculus Rift S, and they sent us over and sponsored the video, so we're going to go ahead and unbox this, set it up, and take it for a test drive. We're going to be playing Robo Recall, which is a free game, and it's actually very popular. A lot of people have been playing it, and we're going to play it on none other than my newly built PC, Big Red, which is sitting back there. It took a while to build that, guys, but the time-lapse video is up on the channel. In case you missed it, I'll drop a link to it down below. But yeah, with that said, let's unbox this. All right, let's slide this off. Oh, that was fairly simple, okay. So it looks like we've got the headset itself. This is actually, wow, really light. And two controllers. Inside here, we got a set of two AA batteries, the setup guide, manual, and a mini display to full-size DisplayPort adapter. So one of the first things you guys probably noticed is that there are no external sensors. That's one of the cool things about the Oculus Rift S. You no longer need to have 2 or 3 external sensors set up in the room. All the sensors are actually built on the headset itself. The Oculus Rift S uses all the cameras around it to basically figure out where you're standing and what you're doing. So yeah, the setup process is going to be a lot easier. So it looks like there's one cable that comes out of the headset and splits into a USB 3 cable and a DisplayPort cable, which plugs directly into your PC. This is actually a lot cleaner and more simple than previous VR headsets. You no longer have to plug it into an external box and then have that plugged into your PC. So kudos to Oculus. So the headset has been improved, and now it's running on a 2560 by 1440p LCD screen at 80 Hz. It's got improved optics, which is going to deliver bright, vivid colors, and it's supposed to reduce that screen door effect that we always see on VR headsets. Now, the headset does come with built-in speakers. However, if you want to plug in your own headset or earphones, then you can do so by using the headphone jack located on the left side here. Obviously, not all headphones will fit with the headset because of the size of the ear cup, so I do recommend using something smaller like earphones, for example. So they built this headset with speed in mind. They basically want you to put this on and start gaming as soon as possible. So they made all the adjustments very convenient. There's a knob in the back here which lets you retract the headband. There's obviously a strap on the top in case you have a big head. And there's one button on the bottom here which brings the entire headband forward or back. So yeah, super simple to adjust that. And these are the new controllers. These are so tiny and so light. Like, I'm not even... Oh, I think you're supposed to put the battery in here actually. Maybe I'll add some weight to it. So this part of the grip slides down just like this. And this is where you insert the battery. Pop this back on and you're good to go. Now obviously this means that you can't charge your controllers, which is something I prefer because of convenience, instead of having to go out and buy new batteries. But at the same time, if you're in the middle of a game and then your controllers die, you can easily pop in a battery and you're good to go. You don't have to put this on a charging dock and let it juice up. But anyways, I'm done blabbing. Let's set this up and test it out. So after following a few simple prompts on the screen, the setup is complete. I now have the Oculus Rift S hooked up to my PC. Current specs: we've got the 7980XE 18-core processor at 4.5 GHz, 64 gigs of RAM at 3600 MHz, and of course, 2 RTX 2080 Ti's in SLI. Is it overkill for VR gaming? Absolutely it is. You guys don't need high-end specs to run the Oculus Rift S. Actually, all you really need is a GTX 1060 or equivalent or higher. And again, all the minimum requirements will be posted below if you guys want to check it out. So we got the game Robo Recall installed. Let's boot it up and take it for a test drive. All right. Wow, this game looks really good actually. Like, the environment is so detailed. Whoa. Whoa, is that a bullet? That was pretty sick. It was like Matrix. It's like if Matrix met an FPS game. That's pretty sick. Wow, you can grab bullets too. Oh, what? That was sick. Okay, I'm digging this game. I'm digging it. Wow, this level's huge. Look at the detail on the cars though. I'm not even kidding, guys. The detail in this game is top notch. Wow. There's even like reflections in the mirror. That's crazy. The responsiveness on these controllers are really good. Look how great the physics is, guys. You can even see the clip on this gun. That is crazy. Look at that. Wow, the physics are definitely next level. I love how accurate these controllers are. Not only does it register every single trigger or button press immediately, but it knows exactly what angle I'm holding my guns at. Like, I've never seen this level of accuracy before. Oh, that is so dope. You can bounce the gun off them and then reload it. That's sick. This is sick. Are you kidding me? Whoa, dude. Can I punch? What does this do? Oh my God, this is sick. Go get some, baby. Okay, so a few things I noticed while playing with the Rift S. First of all, amazing graphics, obviously. The higher resolution with the 80 Hz refresh rate really made a difference. Everything just looks so much more crisp. The fact that the controllers and the headset are so light makes it that much more easier to move around, especially in games like Robo Recall, where reflex is everything. It really does make it that much more enjoyable to play. The controllers are really responsive, and not only that, but the sensors capture every movement I make precisely. For example, if I'm aiming at a certain angle or moving at a certain speed, it knows that. And I feel like that's why the physics of the game is so realistic. So yeah guys, my final thoughts on the Oculus Rift S. If I have to sum everything up in one sentence, I would say that I've never had this much fun on a VR gaming headset. I feel like you're getting a more refined VR gaming experience compared to the others. No external sensors to set up, no extra cables to plug in, and just overall a much easier setup process to get up and running. I personally think that this would be the perfect VR system on the go as well. All you have to really take with you is just your headset and your controllers. If you're going to your friend's house, you can use their PC, or you can bring your laptop or portable system as well. And that's pretty much it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Tossing a like would let me know, and if you didn't, you guys know what to do. I'll drop a link to the Oculus Rift S below if you guys want to check it out. Thanks so much for watching. As always, I will see you guys in the next one.